that feeling? Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling.
Welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and before the year is gone, before 2021 is gone, can you believe that? Let me share with you just a few items I got from Product Junkie Naturals. Now, before we get into that, if you're already one of my roses, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And while you're here, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next upcoming video. So if you're not new to my channel, you know how much I love Product Junkie Naturals. And of course, with all the sales that went on towards the end of 2021, you know I had to get me a few things. So let's go ahead and get right into it, okay? Okay, so this time I just got a few things. I know there's many of you who probably got way more than me, but you know what? I had to pipe it down towards the end of the year because, you know, holidays and all that. And if you've been watching my recent vlogs, you know I got some other things going on that, you know, I gotta get prepared for. So anyway, what's in here? One of the newest lines that came out during the fall. This is the Product Junkie Naturals Pumpkin and Caramel Ready Set Twist Out Cream. So this is something you can use. It's just like all-in-one. If you're low porosity and if you're someone like me who likes to use pretty much one product for their styles, or maybe, you know, water and then go in with a cream or a leave-in and just go on one product, this might be for you. Look at that labeling. Isn't that pretty? Y'all, when it's closed. Oh, maybe I should take the tape off. There we go. And that seal is there. Y'all, if you happen to hear anything else, you know, neighbors. Anyway. You know, I actually smell the pumpkin and the caramel. I started smelling the caramel first for some reason. Ooh, this smells good. Let me know down in the comments if you have already tried this product before me, because again, I was a little late getting it, but let me tell you a little bit about it. Directions, it says section hair. Y'all, I ain't done this so long. This light is getting to my eyes. I probably should have put on my glasses, but we're just gonna use my little flashlight on my phone. Okay, directions. It says section hair into workable sections. Apply cream gel to damp or wet hair. Distribute evenly. Style as desired. Allow hair to completely dry before attempting to manipulate for best results. I really smell that caramel in here. It's not just the pumpkin, y'all. It's nice and sweet. Ooh, it smells good. Okay. Nice and creamy, but I can feel that slip. Y'all, this smells good enough to eat for real. So, if you want to see me try this, again, this is the Product Junkie Naturals Pumpkin and Caramel Ready Set Twist Out Cream. You want to see me try this? Let me know in the comments, okay? Moving on to the next item here. Okay, so I am out of facial toner, and if you didn't already know, Product Junkie Naturals does also have skincare products as well. So the next product here, this is the face toner, Aloe Cider Honey Toner. I got it because, you know, cider, I'm thinking of apple cider. I'm thinking of apple cider vinegar. I'm thinking of how much that already is good for our scalp. You know, when you're trying to clarify and remove toxins and things like that. So think of that on your skin to help remove those toxins, whatever's left over on your skin, in your pores. Get that all out. Let me go ahead and get my flashlight. Okay, so it says raw apple cider vinegar helps to fight and remove bacteria from the skin. Aloe vera works to restore moisture and balance skin. And this is about a 3-ounce container. And so we'll try this and see, you know, what this does for my skin. Because, you know, I got some pores. These pores is a little out of control. They trying to get bigger on your girl. And I need to close them things up, even them out. So, you know, my skin does what it needs to do. So let me go ahead and get this tape off of here. I can smell that apple cider vinegar in it, but it's not strong, because if it was strong, it would be all up. It would have choked me up by now, and it has not. You see something else. Put a little bit on me. Okay, just put some on me. Yeah, it's not strong at all. I can tell that there's apple cider vinegar in it, but it's almost like it's not even there now. So I'll have to let you guys know how that works on my skin. I may very well let you know how that works on my skin, possibly in an updated skincare video for 2022. Or on Instagram. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and do that. Same name, OlenaRosanne. Okay, last item I have in here. This is also from the pumpkin and caramel line, the leave-in curl treat. It says it's for dry, thirsty curls, kinks, and coils. And it says this is step 3. So just in case you're a brand new natural, you don't know what to use first, second, third, or what's suggested to use first, second, third, fourth, and so on. Okay, and let me see what it says on this. It says directions: apply leave-in to freshly washed hair for best results. Distribute from root to tip. Style as desired. Nicely opens up, and let me see. This smells just like the Ready Set Twist Out Cream. Pumpkin and caramel. Tastes nice and sweet. Smells just like fall. And just so you know, once this is taken off the site, and yes, it will be taken off the site because this is a seasonal product line. You know, who knows? She could bring it back sometime during 2022 for a special sale before fall, but this is one of the fall product lines. It smells good. It smells like one of the candles I had. Okay, nice and creamy, and it feels like it has plenty of slip in it. Smooths in really nice. Okay, so those are the 3 products I got. I won't get into details as far as ingredients. For more details on that, I'll go into them further when I use them. And of course, you know me, I always use these new products I get from Product Junkie Naturals on camera. So let me know, out of those 2 pumpkin caramel products, which one have you tried? Which one looks interesting to you? Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. I think I've been talking long enough. If I don't see you guys before the new year, make sure you have a very, very happy new year. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do so. Hit the notification bell, give me a like, leave me a comment. Let me know which of these products you want to see me try first. And if you want to see me try it and you don't want to miss out on the video, again, make sure you subscribe. So other than that, Happy New Year, Roses, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.